Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a bank account in Funding Pips. Start by going to the official Funding Pips website, then click Login or Client area and enter your email and password. Make sure you use the same account linked to your funded trading account. Once inside the dashboard, locate the Finance Payouts or Withdrawals section and click Add Payment Method or a similar option. You will usually see multiple payout options such as bank transfer, crypto, or deal if available. Choose bank transfer. Next, fill in your bank details, enter your full legal name, which must match your Funding Pips account, along with your bank name, account number, IBAN if outside the US, SWIFT or PIC code, bank address if required, and your country. After entering the details, click Save or Submit. Some users may need to confirm via email verification, and in some cases, KYC must be completed before payouts are unlocked. Finally, go back to the withdrawal section, select your funded account, enter the withdrawal amount, and confirm the request. The processing time is typically 1 to 3 business days depending on your region. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.